This appeal by special leave is directed against the judgment and order dated 26th of October 2006 of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh at Hyderabad, wherein the High Court had dismissed the civil revision case filed before it by the appellant. The relevant facts leading to the present appeal are that 1. M. Veena Agarwal, the father of the appellant since deceased, and the respondents had 3 sons and a daughter. M. Veena Agarwal, the deceased father of the appellant, was acting as a manager and karta of the joint family till 1966. Thereafter, he fell sick and became incapable of managing the joint family property and joint family debts. The appellant herein came forward and agreed to take up the responsibility. Accordingly, all the parties agreed to execute the power of attorney in favor of the appellant. But the appellant insisted on executing a separate deed instead of a power of attorney, saying that a power of attorney may not be effective and it can be terminated at any point of time. The respondents herein and the deceased father, out of confidence, signed on the said deed, which was registered on 17th of May 1966, without knowing its contents. However, they later came to know that the said deed was styled as a partition deed between the parties. On 21st of April 1978, M. Bhaskar Rao, one of the sons of the deceased father and the respondent number 1, herein filed a suit for partition of the plaintiff scheduled property, claiming 1/4 share in the same, and also for a declaration that the alleged deed of partition dated 17th of May 1996 was sham, void and inoperative, and for other incidental reliefs in the court of principal subordinate judge, Vijayawada. The suit was decreed by the principal subordinate judge, Vijayawada, and a preliminary decree dated 1st of October 1986 was passed, whereby all the parties, including the deceased father of the parties, were found to be entitled to 1/4 share each in respect of the plain scheduled property. It was further declared by the trial court that the partition deed dated 17th of May 1966 was inoperative, ineffective, void and a sham transaction. When the aforesaid suit was pending, M. Veena Agarwal, since deceased, being the father of the parties, executed a registered will on 21st of March 1984, bequeathing his 1/4 share in respect of the plaintiff scheduled property in favor of the respondent, and also a sum of rupees 10,000 was allotted to his daughter, respondent number 2. Herein, M. Veena Agarwal died on 17th of January 1985 while the suit was pending. More precisely, on 25th of February 1985, the respondent filed a photostat copy of the will in the trial court, praying that the probate of the will, bequeathing his 1/4 share in respect of the plaintiff scheduled property to the respondent and rupees 10,000 to his daughter, be granted. When the photostat copy of the will was filed by the respondent for grant of probate, it was made clear by all the parties that the parties on record were sufficient, and there was no need of impleading any other legal representatives. An endorsement to this effect was also made by the counsel for the appellant, stating that no LRs need to be added. In view of such stand taken by the parties before the trial court and no objection having been raised up to this court, we refrain from going into the question whether probate can be granted to the will in question in the absence of any other heirs and legal representatives of the deceased if there be any. Stop.